In this video, let's discuss how to create a coupon code using Kajabi. Okay, how to create a coupon code. So coupon code you can use as a special discount code at the time of the webinar, or maybe during some festive season. Okay, so a special discount code, how to create that? So it is very simple in Kajabi. First, to create a coupon code, first what you need, okay, is to first you must have some products. Okay, obviously. So first create some product. Maybe use Kajabi. You are using Kajabi as LMS, so all the courses, coaching community, so whatever is your paid product should be there first. Then go to sales and create an offer. And in an offer, now suppose I have created this offer, this is an offer, and in this offer I have tagged these two products. Okay, so when anybody purchase this offer, okay, using this link, okay, this is my payment link, and using this payment link, if anybody pays, then that person gets access to these two products, these two courses. Okay, so product should be there, then an offer, create an offer and tag your products with the offer. Okay, so once this is done, now next is coupon code. Now say for example, in this case I have mentioned it is 7999 Indian currency. Okay, 7999 rupees. Now I want to give a special 30% discount during my webinars. So for this I have to go to coupons, under sales go to coupons, and then click on new coupon. Okay, after clicking on new coupon, there we have two options here, single coupon or bulk codes. So first go ahead and let's understand single coupon. Single coupon means, suppose I want to create a coupon called webinar offer. Okay, and I want to give 30% off, percentage off or amount off. So suppose I want to give 30% off on this coupon code. Okay, now duration is, now say for example my course is one time payment, then I can use once. Now suppose if it is repeating, like if it is monthly recurrent, then I can say okay, every month you will get 10% discount. So this way repeating, or maybe forever, okay, for lifetime. So here you can mention the expiry date as well. Now say for example, in this case I'm keeping expiry date as 30th of June example. Okay, so let's click on continue. So once this coupon code is created, okay, now it is asking us to tag up to select an offer, okay, where you want to give this coupon, use this coupon code. Okay, webinar offer. So I can click here on offer, and the offer is gold. Okay, this is my gold membership, DNA Gold membership. So you can see this is now created. Okay, now if I click on done, so this is the coupon code webinar offer. If I click on this, and you can see this is the code, okay, webinar offer. Or else what I can do, I can just copy this, and during the webinar I can say okay, click on the link below. Only in this webinar I'm going to give you a special discount, that is a 30% off. Okay, so this way this link I can promote only during the webinar, and people can understand, okay, yes, the standard price is this, but today I'm getting 30% discount, which means today I have to pay just this much of amount, and then they can proceed with the payment and I receive the payment like this. Okay, so this is one time like this. Okay, one single coupon code I've created, and I can use it multiple times. Okay, another option is bulk codes. Now suppose I click on new coupon and I choose bulk codes, so which means I can choose any code name, like say for example winter special. Okay, so winter special offer, and amount of in this case I want to keep of amount of which is 1000 rupees, and 1000 what, 1000 INR. Okay, so select my currency. Okay, INR, and amount of coupons. Okay, how many codes I want to create? Now suppose I want to create 5 codes. Okay, which means I want to give only 5 people option to grab this. Okay, now what it will do, it will create a random coupon code for us randomly. Okay, if I click on continue, you can just see it is going to create 5 coupon codes, random code. Okay, you can just see here. Okay, these are the coupon codes which are available. You can see here, show coupon, these are the coupon codes. Okay, so if I click here, it is copied, and if I paste it, okay, this is a coupon code. Now first I have to this is the coupon code which I have created. Let's click on done. Okay, so this is winter special coupon code. So now obviously I have to tag it with an offer. Suppose offer is gold membership. This is my DNA Gold membership. Okay, and let's select done. Okay, so 1000 rupees off. Okay, now if I see here, okay, if I copy this, Okay, so this is a coupon code. If I remove this, on the sales page, now here I have to give them coupon code personally. Okay, personally I can say, okay, this is a coupon code, enter this coupon code. So it is going to be applied only once. Okay, so see, 1000 rupees is off. Okay, so once I redeem this code, this particular code, then I can see this code is already redeemed, and you cannot use the same code again and again. So this way, these are the 5 codes which Kajabi has automatically created for us, and I can use this code only once. Okay, so this way you can create multiple codes. Got it? So, and then you can use it in some marketing material, or maybe personally you want to give some discounts. So this way you can use single code or maybe bulk codes like this. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. So okay, you can also try this out. If in case you are not using Kajabi, you want to try this tool, this is an amazing tool. LMS, website, landing pages, funnels, email automation, I mean the complete package. So I suggest you to go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. That's my affiliate link. Okay, so just try this absolutely free. Okay, if you directly take it from Kajabi, you will get 14 days, but from my side, using my link, you will get 30 days of trial. Try this tool, and after taking this trial using my link, you will receive an email to book a free consultation call with me. So you can book a free consultation call with me. I can help you out to set up Kajabi for your own business. Okay, and yeah, so if you use my affiliate link, it is going to support me also to create more wonderful videos for you on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you have any question, put in the comment box below, and I will see you next time. Subscribe the channel.